let's get this information down algebraically. We're told that there are twice as many children as adults sitting at the table. So C is going to equal 2A, where C is the number of children and A is the number of adults. We're then told the age of each person is a positive integer greater than 1. And the sum of the age of the adults was 156. Okay, it's going to be useful. So then we're told that the mean age of the children was 80% less than the mean age of the whole group. So let's say that the sum of the ages of the children I've already used C for the number of children, so I'm going to call it X. So to get the mean age of the children, it would just be their sum divided by how many there are, so X over C. And we're told that this is 80% less. Now, to do 80% less, we do 100%, and we subtract 80%, which actually gives 20%, which as a fraction is 20 over 100, or 1/5. So the mean age of the children was 1/5 times the mean age of the whole group. Well, the mean age of the whole group is the total of all the ages. So it's 156, the ages of the adults, plus the ages of the children, divided by the number of children and adults. So that's C plus A. And I've created an equation. And what we're after is we're trying to find the sum of the, we're trying to find X. Remember, we also know that C is equal to 2A. So you know what? It could actually be a good time to replace that before I do anything else. So X over 2A is equal to 1/5 times 156 plus X divided by 3A. Because what I can do now is multiply both sides by A and essentially get rid of this. And I've still got a slightly awkward equation, but it's not as bad. What I can do now is I can multiply through by 2 and by 5 and by 3. This is the lowest common multiple of all of these numbers. So essentially I'm multiplying through by 30. So when I do that, I'm going to get 15x is equal to 2 lots of 156 plus x. Okay, you could do it in turns if you want. You could times this by 2 and then this by 5 and by 3, but the ultimate thing that we're doing is timesing by 30. So that means 15x is going to be 2 times 156, which is 312, plus 2x. So 13x is going to be 312. And it must be that that 13 goes into 312. So I do a short division. 13 times 2 is 26. So it's going to be 2, remainder 5. 13 times 4 is 52. So the sum of the ages of the children is 24.